G'day, how you going? So today I've come to do some street photography and I'm going to get any good at it. It's been a while. It's actually, I haven't really done it that many times. So I've come to the city, Circular Quay. Now what we've got is some idiot doing beatbox over there. I can't hear myself think. Actually, he was pretty good. I took a few videos of him. And what I'm thinking of, I'm not really used to street photography. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing, but I've got my 17mm. Everyone seems to think that's the best one because it's a 35mm equivalent type in the old school way of thinking. You know, 35mm cameras were the perfect. Yeah, I think the 25mm is what they think people can see. But check this out. Another good thing coming out this late is how good's the light. I mean, that's unreal. Check that out. It just glows. Morning and dusk is the best time to come. I mean, that light is amazing. Anyway, so that's what I'm thinking with some street photography. Instead of shoot from the hip, I'm going to shoot from the heart. You understand what I'm saying here? I'm going to shoot from the heart. I've just got this strap. I've got my classic leather strap from the Olympus EM10 Mark II, and it fits perfectly just above my belly there. And so I'm thinking I might shoot from the hip. Plus I'm going to do that obviously. And as you can see with the flip up screen, it's perfect for street photography, especially like if you're shooting from the heart. So I've patented that word now, so no one can use that, shooting from the heart. Anyway, so I'm going to try shots like that and, you know, random, and it'll be easy to autofocus or just have normal shots like that. Shooting from the heart is unreal. People don't even know what the hell's going on. You're totally obscure. You just look like you're looking down at your camera trying to figure out some readings. So, you know what I mean? I know it's cheating, but so what? I mean, that's just for taking shots of people randomly. It's not really, you know, I guess any type of street photography is good enough. So the other reason why I came here was today's the 90th anniversary of the Harbour Bridge. So I thought maybe I'll take a photo. Let's have a go anyway. And I can't help myself. Clap, clap. Gonna have some show on today because of this 90-year thing that they're doing. And there's supposed to be a few bands and the fireworks are gonna go off over there. Are you showing This is 90 years of the bridge. It's walking across the bridge of photographers that are taking a photo of a guy taking a photo. That's awesome, Rob. Keep it up, Rob. That's what are you doing, Rob? Oh, that turned out, might have turned out all right anyway. I like the silhouette. Something like that. I think when you're first doing this, you got to get your balls in motion and get the nerve to take photos. But I guess in the city, most people think you're just a bloody tourist anyway. So, but still, it is a little bit nerve-wracking to start with, and that's why I think a lot of people say, oh, I'm warming up. A lot of street photographers like to warm up a bit. I think, you know what that really is? Just to get the nerves out and get into the swing of it by not giving a shit, if you know what I mean. Let's keep going. I don't know if that worked. Need more symmetry.
Today's gonna be a day that I'm gonna go back to you. I know you should have thought out here. You gotta do. I don't believe everybody feels the way I do right now. You know the road you have to walk around in. You know the lights that lead us still riding. Here I think I ain't scared of you, but I don't know how. And maybe
You see, out of focus, people walking past, I don't know, something different. Otherwise I'm just walking around taking pictures of people. I want to get a bit more arty-farty with it. I'd even give this Sony ZV1 a go and see if I can take some street photography with this. Apparently it's got a good sensor anyway, so might as well. It's got a bit of a zoom on it too, so it's 1.8, even better. So I'm just shooting it in program mode. Let's see what the camera can do on its own. I don't mind the old Sony ZV1. It's got some character to it. With the old Sony colours. That's alright. I'm thinking maybe today I've come here for the Harbour Bridge. I might make that my focus for for the street photography, try and incorporate the street photography with the actual Harbour Bridge itself. Maybe. And just winging it. Hey Jerry, where's Jerry? I'm winging it. Poor Jerry. Gosh, I could have bought her actually. There's a few people here with dogs. So I'll keep reverting back to taking photos of buildings. I don't know why, I just get that nerve to take photos of people, I guess. But the street photography, I guess there's no rules really. I mean, who made that? There's no rules. Just take a photo of whatever you want. People are walking past, things like that. Anyway, Here's the bridge now. Yeah, I like that view there, and I like those people, the family walking past. It kind of like gives you a little bit of, you know, history type, sentimental, you know, families celebrating with the bridge. I don't know, just felt had a bit more subject to it, having that family with the dad with the kid on top of his shoulders under the bridge. Okay, here's a screensaver for me. It's a desktop screensaver. Everything looks good at night, doesn't it? When you take photos, especially in the city.